In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a dumbbell forward lunge, but we're going to be doing all of our repetitions on one leg and then going to the other leg. So firstly, this is not the alternating version. It's doing all the repetitions on one side, then doing the next set where all the repetitions on the other. And it's a slightly easier variation than our alternating lunges, where we've got a difference between what leg is coming behind the body and what leg is coming in front of the body. So when we're doing all of our repetitions on one side, I would start off with your weaker leg first. So if you have got a weaker leg, let's say it's your left leg, you're going to start off with the left leg coming forwards first, then do all your repetitions with the right leg. Now, because we're doing dumbbells here, there's two grips that you can decide to do. One of which is where we have the palms underneath the top of the dumbbell, clasp the fingers over, and then you have your elbows by your sides, and you're going to have your dumbbell into your chest. The other variation is a more traditional variation where you have one dumbbell in each hand and you have the dumbbells by the sides of your body. So let's go into the repetitions. You've got your feet at hip width apart. You're always looking forwards. Even when you come into your lunge, keep your eye line looking forwards and don't look down. And what you're going to do is you're going to bring one leg forwards, the back leg's going to bend, and you're going to forcefully bring yourself back up into your upright position by pushing from your forward leg. So in this case, my right foot is going to push myself back into that position where I've started off with. Notice how on my back leg, so in this case, my left leg, I come onto my forefoot and toes in this position, and I'm bringing my heel off the floor. Once I've done my repetitions on one side, I'm then going to do exactly the same, feet hip width apart, chest up looking forwards, with my left leg like so.